welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to learn a worship song by Isabel, and the title of the song is Wide as the Sky. I'm going to be playing in the key of E flat. Alright, so I'm going to play the song in a short way and then explain the chords that I use step by step. So I'm going to be playing it in a very slow manner so that you can follow. Alright, so it starts with a 4. This is the chord 4. And then this chord 1. Then chord 6. Then chord 5. This is your chord 3. And then your chord 4 again. So we're going to be playing around these chords. And I could be playing the inversion of a chord, be it chord 4, chord 5, chord 1, or chord 6, or 3 itself. So I could play. Alright, so let's start with a song. You can play a simple intro with a 4, 1, 6, 5, play it again. 4, 1, 6, 5, 4, 1, then 6 to 5. Hands up, open wide as we cry. I'm playing my chord 1. This is chord 1, the one I showed you. I'm playing the B flat here, so it becomes like this. Hands open wide as we cry. Then the other version. Let all the other names fade away. 3, 4. Let all the other names 6. So the first stanza is where you play 1, a 4, 1, 6, 5 as we cry. Then where it says let all the other names fade away. Let all the other names fade away. 6, 5, then 3, 4. Let all the other names fade away till there's only you. Let all the other names fade away. Jesus, take your place. Jesus, take your place. Like a fire, like a So I believe this quote should help you. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button and share. Thank you for watching this video.